Fifth step, right living. What now is right living? When the noble disciple, avoiding a wrong way of living, gets his livelihood by a right way of living, this is called right living. Now, right living, let me tell you, is of two kinds. One, when the noble disciple, avoiding wrong living, gets his livelihood by a right way of living, this is called the mundane right living, which yields worldly fruit and brings good results. Two, but the abhorrence of wrong living, the abstaining, withholding, refraining therefrom from the mind being holy, being turned away from the world and conjoined with the path, the holy path being pursued, this is called the ultramundane right living, which is not of this world, but is ultramundane and conjoined with the paths. Now, in understanding wrong living as wrong and right living as right, one practices right understanding, first step, and in making efforts to overcome wrong living, to arouse right living, one practices right effort, sixth step, and in overcoming wrong living with attentive mind, and dwelling with attentive mind and possession of right living, one practices right attentiveness, seventh step. Hence, there are three things that accompany and follow upon right living, namely right understanding, right effort, and right attentiveness. And of course, we see these parallels in many paths, just phrased differently, right?